like, yo, what the fuck is it gonna take to get rid of this bitch? You can't get rid of me, bitch.
Back and forth with no broke ass bitch. And that song that you like, I probably wrote that shit. Know that's it. More fire, hot like Naya. Whole lot of juice, I'm the plug and the wire.
Well, hello, and welcome back to My Indigo Mind. This is your host, Ty Shana, and today we'll be talking about live licensing, aka Olivia, aka Tuna, aka Top. Okay, so let's get right into this video. Well, baby. Shorty has been on this internet and acting a clumsy and fool since everybody found out that she was so-called pregnant, right? And I'm going to say so-called because you can never be too sure with Olivia, okay? Now, let's talk about the fact that she's running around here talking about she's never had an abortion. Man, it wasn't too long ago when you was talking about doing just that. Then your boy head come back up here talking about, I did what I needed to do for my body. And now you're sitting up here talking about people and their narratives and spinning narratives. Y'all hoes seem to forget what y'all say on this good old internet. Y'all seem to forget what y'all do on this internet. Man, miss me with the bullshit. Miss me. Because at the end of the day, you know for damn sure that if you are pregnant right now, that's Zolo's baby. And the last thing that you want is for him to have any say over a seed that comes from your body. So you're going to tell him over and over again, oh no, this not your baby. Knowing damn good and well that that's his child. Do you know how stank and nasty that is? On top of that, miss, I only want one baby, or I only want my babies by one man. Some random getting me pregnant is not gonna happen. And then what did you do? What you do? You went and got pregnant by random. That's what you did. That's exactly what you did. So now you're going to have freaking 4 children and be a single mama. Like, why? Who would want to go back into this situation again? I don't understand. Because not too long ago, married Gerard. Like, that wasn't a married the whole time situation. That was only married, what, 1, 2 years? Together for 8? Come on now. Like, you do too much. You do way entirely too the fuck much. And then you sit up there, I'm this and I'm that bitch and I'm that and But here you are alone. Here you are alone again. I could get a nigga. I could do this. I could do that. I'm not worried. I could get it in. The problem is not you getting, the problem is you keeping one. The problem is you actually getting yourself together before you actually try to be in a relationship with one. I don't know if you're slow or not, but baby, you're not getting there. You're not grasping what we're trying to tell you. What we're saying is you need to get your mind together. You need therapy. You need to go sit down and stretch out on someone's couch chain because you are slow when it comes to relationships. You're off when it comes to love. Hell, you off when it comes to regular life. But the fact that you think someone is jealous of you is fucking laughable. It's laughable. You just want attention so bad that you'll get it at any cost. That you'll put your kids in harm's way. You'll put yourself in danger by bringing random men into your home for views rather than being mindful that I don't truly know these people. And at any time, something can happen to me or my kids. All that tough Tony shit that you be running around saying, all that big bad Bob shit you be running around saying, you're not really like that. So what you think gonna happen when a big ass man or whatever man you decide come in your home and then do something to you and those kids, God forbid? Huh? And he gonna be leaving more than a goddamn baby. What if you get something? Because you obviously out here stop pocketing raw. So what if you get something? Huh? You are about the dumbest child I've ever seen. Like, you and Jasmine are like two peas in a pod, honey, because y'all both are slow. Y'all cannot see when a man truly do not want you. It's just a convenience. He said this on many other occasions. You were just a convenience. That's it. That's all. Huh? And now he got a whole platform zogging your Victoria South because you wanted to give him a little clap. Girl. And now, honey, did you see Necie on there, baby? I know that. Ooh, that checked her britches, honey. I'm sure she felt some type of way because, baby, when she came on that live, she was storming, honey. Why are you still talking about me? Why am I still a conversation? You shouldn't even be worried about me with your old ass. Girl, you know Necie will rag you, honey. Rag, tag, and tag your ass, honey. You already know that you will be snitched for the cause. That's why you keep that shit on the internet, because you know in real life, I got a feeling that Necie was test that age. Okay? In real fucking life, I feel like Necie got some hands. So you messing with the right word, bitch. While I was there at the cookout in front of her and her family, she didn't do nothing. First of all, she probably had respect. And she wasn't about to disrespect her family by going in your mouth. But keep it up, because you're no longer family, honey. You're no longer in Texas. You're no longer around her. So you got all the smoke in the world. Excuse me. You got all the in the world. That ain't even smoke, her. You got steam. That's it. You got all the steam in the world for her now. Baby, child, go sit down and just be pregnant with your imaginary baby, honey. Please. Do something with your time. You should be more worried about this new baby. You still online arguing. Huh? And you talk about others? Get your life. Okay? Child. Anywho, I got to go. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell so you know when I post. Also, if you made it to the end of this video, drop those purple hearts down in the comments so I know it's real. Later for now. Bye.
They be like, yo, what the fuck is it gonna take to get rid of this bitch? You can't get rid of me, bitch.
Back and forth with no broke ass bitch. And that song that you like, I probably wrote that shit. You know that's it. More fire, hot like Naya. Whole lot of juice, I'm the plug in the wire. Hold it.